My name is Björn Dahlborg. I work as an application specialist at ESAB in the Nordic region. To minimize porosity and spatter when MIG-MAG welding on galvanized steels, ESAB has launched OK AristoRod 38zn. This solid wire has a specially alloyed formula that significantly reduces or eliminates rejects and rework. It delivers optimized results when welding the galvanized steel components used in transportation, white goods, agriculture, HVAC systems and construction items such as roofs and fences. The challenges these manufacturers face is that the heat of the welding arc releases zinc vapor around the weld pool, which affects arc stability and contributes to excess spatter. If trapped in the weld pool, the vapor causes porosity as the weld solidifies. By tightly controlled microalloying elements in the formulation, OK AristoRod 38zn allows the zinc vapor to escape. It addresses the root cause of porosity and spatter associated with standard 70S6 wires without the expense or increased risk of burn-through associated with metal core wires. We conducted head-to-head tests against other common options for welding galvanized steels. The results were conclusive. OK AristoRod 38zn offers the best performance at the lowest total cost of production. OK AristoRod 38zn is available in diameters of 0.8, 1.0 and 1.2 millimeters in 18 kilogram spools and 250 kilogram marathon pack. Try this unique wire today and see how it can improve welding results today. Thank you.